Let's continue. In the last class, we have seen the simple interest concept where we have solved the questions and we have learned the concept also. In this video also, we shall see the concept of compound interest, and in this concept also, we shall see the formula and derivation also. Okay. The most important formula in compound interest is this formula. Okay, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n, n or T. Okay, as you know already. Some books will denote this as n, some books follow T notation. Anyways, it is representing number of years. Okay, so let us write what is A. A is the total amount to be paid. P is principal amount, the amount which we have taken for interest, and R is rate of interest, and N or T is number of years. Okay, so if we make any changes in this, like if the interest is compounded for half yearly or quarterly or monthly, this formula will get slightly modified. Okay, we shall see that formulas also in the next video, and there also we shall see the formula and derivation. Okay, so one thing you have to remember, I always give you the formula and derivation also. If you want only the formula, you can stop here and then move on to next video where we will solve the questions. Okay, so why I am giving both derivation and formula is always remembering only the formulas will not help. Okay, so better to learn the concept also. It is a concept that always helps you. Okay, so the concept regarding this one, we shall see that one first. Derivation. Okay, so we shall start by taking timeline. Okay, let us suppose it to be timeline. So 1, okay, 2, 3. Why I am giving distance is to write the formulas down here. Okay, so many years. Okay, so first suppose if we take an amount P, after completing 1 year, what would be the interest? PR by 100. Okay, how would I know that? So interest is PTR by 100. You may ask me that this formula is regarding simple interest, right? But you have to understand one thing here. If you calculate the interest on principal amount, this amount, then that would be always simple interest. If you calculate the principal amount on the previous year's amount, like for suppose if I am calculating the interest for third year, then second year's total amount, if the interest is calculated on the second year's total amount, then that would be a interest on interest, and that is compound interest. Okay, so or else I'll not take this. Why to confuse you at all? Okay, so I will take we'll start with the basic one. For 100 rupees, R amount of rupees is the interest. That is what R percent of rate of interest means. This is the meaning. For 100 rupees, R amount of rupees is interest. So for 1 rupee, the interest will be R by 100. For P amount of rupees, PR by 100. This is for 1 year. That is how we got this one. PR by 100. Okay. So same, if you apply like interest is PTR by 100, then that would be P time is 1 year and R by 100, that will also be PR by 100, same as this one. And and if you observe the simple interest, the interest for first year in simple interest and compound interest is same, PR by 100, PR by 100, and the difference starts from second year. Okay, you have to observe from there. So in the second year, this is the interest. What will be the total amount? Total amount will be P plus PR by 100, and that would be, I'm simplifying it, 1 plus right capital R by 100. Okay. This is the total amount to be paid at the end of first year. This will be the P for second year. Okay, that is what I'm telling you before. So interest here will be PTR by 100. So this is for first year. For a second year, that would be, what is P? P is previous year's total amount. So the difference started already. Okay. In the simple interest, we always calculate, we always taken P is this one, this the principal amount. So in compound interest, from second year, for second year calculation of interest, we have taken P as previous year's total amount. Okay, so P is P into 1 plus R by 100 is P, and furthermore we have T and R. T is 1 year. 1 year because from first year to second year, 1 more year extended. And R is R by 100. Then that would be P into 1 plus R by 100 into R by 100. Okay. I think you have understood this. Writing here or here, no problem at all. So that is the interest for second year. So interest for second year is P into 1 plus R by 100 into R by 100 is the interest. Now we have to calculate the amount, because the total amount that we have to pay is interest plus principal amount. Okay, so total amount that we have to pay is P plus interest, principal amount plus interest. What is the principal amount here? We already know principal amount while calculating the compound interest will be the previous year's total amount. This is the P here. So P is 1 by R by 100. This is P. What is interest? This is interest. So interest is P into 1 plus R by 100 into R by 100. Okay, so then that would be taking common P plus this one, this thing. Okay, so better to rub it off, otherwise you would confuse here. Okay, so 1 plus R by 100, if we take common, 1 plus R by 100 is left. Okay, so again if you multiply this, we have to get this. P into this thing into 1 will be this. P into this will be this. Okay, so if we simplify this, we get square is the total amount that we have to pay. Okay, likewise for third year we get, you can guess now. Okay, or else you can do for third year and fourth year also. Okay, you will get for third year the total amount will be R by 100. You try it and see. Okay, for fun part you can try it. This will be Q. Okay, amount for 3 years. Amount for n years, then that would be 1 plus R by 100 all to the power n. That is the formula we got here. Total amount to be paid after n years. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll draw the differences between a simple interest and compound interest also. Okay, yeah, that would be a good idea. Okay. Okay, we are pretty much done with the compound interest, and as I said, there are little bit modifications to this formula, like if the interest is compounded for half yearly, annually, monthly. This is annually, okay. Half yearly, quarterly, monthly. Okay, there will be slight changes in this formula. We shall see that formulas in the next video. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to mention the formula here. Okay, on compound interest formula. See, the topic is compound interest, and I forgot to mention the formula of it. Okay, so I am sorry for that. So let us derive the formula for that. Total amount that we have to pay is principal amount plus interest, right? I mean, in this case, it is compound interest. In the case of simple interest, then that would be principal plus simple interest. Okay. So now we have to know the compound interest formula. Total amount we know this one. So that would be P into 1 plus R by 100. This is the formula for total amount. P plus CI. Then CI would be, send this P this side, and that would be CI is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 all to the power n minus P. Okay, then that would be taking P common. Okay, if you take P common, and that would be 1 plus R by 100 all to the power n minus 1. This is the compound interest formula. This is the total amount formula. Okay, so you no need to remember this, just at least remember this one. So you get the total amount. In the question they will give you the principal amount. If you subtract the principal amount from total amount, it is obvious that you can get compound interest. Okay. Okay, anyways, these are the formulas regarding compound interest. In the next video we shall see the formulas for interest compounded for half yearly, quarterly and monthly. Okay, yeah.